All right, so today we're gonna make poor man's pressure treated plywood. We got a sheet of plywood in inventory for this particular project. We need something that can sort of be out in the weather, trying to replace a Bilco door efficiently and quickly. So we're gonna use some used motor oil on a piece of plywood. So that's what's going on today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see how this works out. This is one coat already we put on here on this side. So I think I'm going to flip it and do the other side right now. So this side isn't quite soaked in, but it's going to have to do. So let me flip this thing over. Watch freshly poured oil on this other side. All right, watch this. We've got all kinds of used motor oil in here. Look at that. I don't know what this is, 1040 or straight 30 weight. Some of all the various pieces of equipment we got here at the property. All right, it's been about an hour. No, it's been a couple hours, I think. Oh, look at these gloves. Oh, God, they're hot too. Holy moly. Ah, jeez. Oh. Ah. What is going on here? Why are these so hot? Oh. Holy crap. Anyway, it's been a couple hours. I got involved in another project. Oh, I don't know what's more fun, this project or that project. And it's good and hot now, for sure. Let's just dump some oil on that so we're fooling around here. Oh God, those gloves, remind me to put those in the shade next time, will you? Yikes. I guess it's coming this way. It's better than white paint.
Yep, looks more natural.
All right, we're going to call this door project done. And there you go. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. So, the door project is over.